Today I'm going to make shortbread. I'll put the ingredients and the utensils on my video. You can pause it, write them down, and then we'll get started. We've left the unsalted butter out to get to room temperature until it's fluffy. We add a half cup of sugar. Whip the sugar with the butter until it's light and fluffy. We add the flour to the sugar, and we keep the mixer on low while we incorporate the flour. After we add the flour, we stir it by hand with a wooden spoon. We use our butter wrappers to grease 2 round cake pans. We use a measuring cup to divide the dough in half. We have 1½ cups of dough in each bowl. For the plain shortbread, we use a spatula to even it out into the pan. Now that the dough is even, we use a pizza cutter to place slice marks into the pan. Now we bring our slice marks out to the edge. For the pecan shortbread, we add 1/4 cup of pecans into the nut grinder. We pulse the nut grinder for a few seconds, and then we add the nuts to the dough for the pecan shortbread. Stir in the pecans by hand with a wooden spoon. Transfer the pecan dough into the other cake. We prep our pan for the pecan shortbread the same way we did the plain shortbread. With both of our pans prepped, we're going to put them in the preheated oven. We baked our shortbread at 250 degrees for 40 minutes. As soon as you take it out of the oven, pierce each one of the slices with a fork and let it cool for 30 minutes. Our shortbread is cooled for 30 minutes. We want to run the spatula all the way around the outside of the pan to make sure that each slice is nice and loose. And very carefully, beginning with the first slice, put it into an airtight container. And we'll do the same with our pecan shortbread. So there we have it, plain shortbread and pecan shortbread.